following message is transmitted at the request of the South Park Police and the Mayor's office. Many elderly citizens across the city have revolted against the new law put in place that restricts them from driving. It was reported that they have acquired semi-automatic weapons and have threatened to kill people under the age of 60 if the mayor refuses to reinstate their licenses. Residents of South Park are asked to shelter in place until further notice. This order is mandatory by request of Mayor McDaniels for your safety and the safety of others. Do not go outside for any reason, as doing so puts your life at risk. If an elderly citizen breaks into your home, you may protect yourself by all means necessary, including deadly force if justified. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for further information and future updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ocean City, New Jersey Police Department. An unusual situation is ongoing in Cape May County in the town of Ocean City. During an event at the Wonder Wharf Pier where people run alongside turkeys, geese and chickens, the birds suddenly began to attack citizens without warning, and have caused serious injuries by means of pecking. They then managed to escape the pier and are roaming freely around the city. It is unknown what has caused these turkeys to show aggressive behavior towards civilians. For the safety of the public, residents living in Ocean City are asked to shelter in place immediately. Close all windows and doors to prevent the turkeys, geese and chickens from getting into your home. If the birds manage to enter your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. Law enforcement are being dispatched to handle the situation and restore order. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information and updates on this situation. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Hymla County in central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located about 3 miles northwest of Arlen and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and $50-sized hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Arlen, McManerbury, and Denton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for North Texas.
The following is an administrative message from the Ocean City, New Jersey Police Department. After countless hours of turkeys, geese and chickens roaming the city causing havoc, they were reported to have ceased their aggressive behavior towards civilians. They were all captured by animal control and taken away from the area. The shelter-in-place warning issued earlier today has been allowed to expire. Residents may now leave their shelters. The police would like to thank citizens for their cooperation. I repeat, the danger to residents is over, and it is safe to leave shelters.
The tornado warning for Heimlich County has been allowed to expire at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area, therefore, the warning has expired. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for northern and central Texas. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Heimlich, Texas.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel S for further details.
An administrative message from the South Park Police. The dangerous situation involving elderly citizens taking hostages and threatening to kill people has ended. 4 young boys managed to cut off the elderly's access to Country Kitchen Buffet, thus starving them and keeping them from doing any more damage. The AARP, the main group responsible, has been taken into custody. The danger to residents is over, and the town is no longer threatened by senile senior citizens.
I am the Mac Daddy of Heimlich County.